I have just finished wiring the 2016 to 2018 illuminated door seal lights. As you can see, nice clean install. All the wiring's hid. I showed you guys how to do this in my last video. This time we did the rear to match the front. Same thing, same way of doing it. Let's get started on the other side and I'll show you how it's done. So you're gonna need your door seal plate, and you're gonna need a little bit of extra wiring in order to reach the rear to the front, as well as some electrical tape, a wire stripper, and an X-Acto knife. What we're gonna be doing is wiring this piece to this piece to this piece, which connects to your door seal plate, in order to have enough length to reach the back to the front. We're going to do a real simple install using an X-Acto knife and your electrical tape by splicing all these together, wrapping it around, making a nice clean tie. What I like to do is I like to take the two stripped ends, twist them together, cross them, and then you twist until you have them nice and tight like that. And then I like to fold this back along your line, and then you want to run electrical tape around that to make a nice clean connection. Take your electrical tape, tear off piece, come in right here. You're going to start running it around your wiring. You can use electrical connectors on this, which work fine, but I've noticed when you run little LED lights like this, the wiring is very small, and a lot of times when you're running the connectors, the wire will break and you end up running too short of wiring. So if you don't use connectors and you use electrical tape, which is perfectly alright, you get a better connection and the line doesn't break. Okay guys, so on the Titan, you just grab this right here, work it up, comes right out. These clips clip back in there when you're all done. You're going to run your wiring under here, up through here. Seal plate will go here. On this side, we've already got the front installed. So the wiring for this guy same thing, pull that up, pop that out of the way. So here is our front one that we've already installed. You're going to pull up your rubber, and this was the first line that we ran that goes up under here to the wiring harness that we bought and plugged in. Okay, so tip, don't pull the sticky off and stick this until you know exactly how much line you're going to need. Otherwise you may come up short and then you'll have to pull the tape up and retape it. So we have this in place. Our line runs that way. Come around here. This is our already installed front plate. This is our line that runs from the back with our two new ends that we've opened up. And all I did was off of these lines as I took my X-Acto knife and opened up the wiring. So all we need to do is wrap the red to the red, the black to the black, use our electrical tape to clean it up. We should be in business. Okay, I had to put the phone down to use the electrical tape. So as you can see here, we've made the 2 electrical connections that run back on our wiring. We've got power here. Come around here. We've got power back here now. So all we now have to do is hide the wires, stick the plate, peel off the top. Okay, we got all of our wires hid, got our plates put back on. I stuck this in the spot I wanted to put it. So all we have left to do is peel her back. We got power.